Hello, I'm Miao. Welcome to my video. Today's video is very important. If you want to travel in China, I will introduce some essential applications you will need when traveling in China. You might know Google doesn't work in China. So there are 5 must-have Chinese applications instead. First, and the most important one, Alipay, the blue icon. I think maybe you've already heard of it. It's world-famous application. If you ask me, do I need to carry cash to China? Maybe a little, just in case. But you don't need to carry a lot cash because you can use Alipay to pay everything, almost everything. At any cities you can think of, mobile pay is widely accepted. It works with foreign phone number. It has 2 main payment methods. One, you can show your QR code and let them scan your QR code. And another one is if you see a QR code in the shop and you can scan the QR code and type the money. 多少钱？14.
See, the blue one is Alipay. I just scan the code and type in how much I need to pay.
These 2 methods are both very common. It depends on the shop's setup. If you want to transfer money to someone, just ask them their collection QR code, and then you can scan it with your Alipay. But note, you can only transfer to an individual with your debit card. It means you have to link your Alipay with your debit card. The credit card cannot be used as transfer. Once you have Alipay, you can do a lot more than just make payment. For example, hailing a ride. Use Didi, this application. It's China's version of Uber. You can download this application, Didi, directly, or you can access it with your Alipay. And you can call taxi or private car in China easily.
This is Alipay's main screen. See those 4 icons up there? Scan, pay, transport. Click transport and see bus, metro, taxi, high-speed train, flight, back, everything.
And now let me introduce the second essential app, WeChat, green icon. It's China's version of WhatsApp and for communication. We also use WeChat Pay. It's very common, but I don't think you can use it because it depends on whether your bank card is compatible. To sign up, you'll need a phone number, and if you get stuck at verification, I'm afraid you have to ask a Chinese friend to help. How to add a friend on WeChat? There is a personal QR code, or called a business card, that others can scan to add you, or you can scan theirs. But both ways, you will need approve the request to connect.
Check out the 4th icon down at the bottom. Tap it, then tap your name at the top, and you will see your personal QR code.
The 3rd application, Amap. It's China's version of Google Map, and you can type or paste the address for directions. Amap is better than Baidu map. It's another map used in China because the location on Amap is more accurate. You will see the car, public transportation, walking or cycling routes on it. Next one, Dianping app. Dianping means reviews in Chinese. It's kind of like TripAdvisor and Yelp. You can search restaurants on it. You know, in Beijing, many popular restaurants require you to queue online for a table. And if you join the queue in advance on Dianping, it can save you a lot of time.
At the top, enter the name of the restaurant you want to go. Of course, copy and paste the Chinese name. These restaurants usually have many branches, and the list is generally sorted from closest to farthest. Tap on one, and do you see the queue option? Tap it again. The numbers like 1 to 4 or 5 to 6 show the group size, and the number 141 means there are 141 tables ahead of you in line. Unbelievable, right? Next, choose how many people are in your party and then click the orange button at the bottom to get a queue number.
One more thing, for the subway, you can use Apple Pay, credit card, Alipay, or just buy the tickets on the machine. So now, the 5 must-have applications. Do you remember? Alipay, Didi, WeChat, Amap, and Dianping. The 5 you must-have applications. And also, you will need a VPN to connect your home or work. Oh, I'm on the street, so I remember one thing. You know, a lot of people ask me how to use the public bikes. So now, let me show you. There are 3 colors of these public bikes. And if you want to use them, use this blue one, because blue one for Alipay. See. Use your Alipay to scan the QR code. Then you can ride the bike. And here, you can see another color. This one, green one. You can use WeChat and Alipay to scan this green one. And if you download the Didi, and you can also use Didi to scan this QR code. See? One more color, the yellow one. You can only scan this yellow one with WeChat. But if you're WeChat without payment, you cannot, use WeChat to pay. Then you cannot use this color of this public bag. Download these applications before you land, so you will be navigating, eating, and paying just like a local in no time. So have you heard any of these applications? Do you have any questions? Leave a comment and let me know. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel for more tips on traveling in China. Let's see you next time. Bye-bye.